you so much for being here and watching. If you are new, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing before you go. We are super close to 9K. I've actually started putting together the giveaway prize for when that happens. I plan on hosting a giveaway. It's like a spa at home giveaway, so I thought I'd tell you guys about that. But anyways, today we're opening up Target Beauty Box. It's been a hot minute since I've opened this box. I think it's probably been like half a year, maybe longer. If you don't know about the Target Beauty Boxes, it's not necessarily a subscription. Well, it isn't a subscription. You actually have to go and buy it on their website each month, and there's usually multiple boxes. They cost only $7 each. I actually have a Target Red card, so I save like about 5%, so it's like, with taxes, I think it's just around $7. I think with taxes it's like $7.50 with free shipping, even if you don't have the card, so that is great. The one we're opening today is the Summer Hair and Skin Box. I was just looking online, I think this one might be sold out. There is one available that's like the Clean Routine box, so I'm gonna link both down below. I'm not sure if this one will be restocked or not, but how cute is the packaging? It's very summery. I'm really excited to see what's inside. When you go on the website, they do give you like spoilers, like you can see everything you're getting, so you can decide whether or not you want to purchase it. I tried not to pay too much attention. I did see one item that excited me, but yeah, so that will be linked down below. Let's get started and see what's in the Summer Hair and Skin Box. So right on top there is a card here. So, summer hair and skincare. Who doesn't love summer? Pool parties, weekend getaways, beach days, talk about fun in the sun. To keep our complexions glowing and our strands silky shiny, these are the products we keep on deck during the season, and you should too. And then on the back it talks about all of the items that come inside. It looks like we get 7 items in this box, and then with each box you get a coupon too. So you get $3 off your beauty purchase of $15 or more. So if you use this coupon, it's like the box is like $4. So I think that's a great deal. And spending only $15 at Target's pretty easy, and you have a few months before it expires. And you can apply it to any of the items inside if you want to purchase them again or get the full size. So here's this little sneak peek. I really appreciate how Target always sends their liquid products with some tape on it so they don't spill during transit, which happens every once in a while. Not too often, but I like that they do this. I appreciate it, and it's easy to get off as well. So this is Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Waves Sea Salt Spray in the scent Tropical Banana. I've used some of their products before, actually multiple Not Your Mother's, but I know I've used at least one other sea salt spray, I believe, but I don't know if it smelled like Tropical Banana. Oh my god. It seriously smells exactly what you would think tropical banana smells like. Like, it reminds me of sunscreen with banana, but it doesn't actually smell like sunscreen. It just reminds me of like the beach. So you get 2 fluid ounces or 60 milliliters. And on here it says that this creates effortless, windswept waves with added hydration. It's formulated with dead sea salt and sea kelp to create tousled, textured look, and aloe extract to help hydrate and add softness to dry ends. I'm excited to use this. I like using this stuff because it gives some texture to my hair, especially if I'm trying to style it. And also if you're going to be out and about, like, it does just like freshen up your hair and give it a nice scent if you have this around. So I will definitely get some use out of it. And we get a decent amount of product in here, 60 milliliters. One thing is that they don't tell you the full size pricing on here, but most of the items included in their boxes are affordable at full price. And when you go to the Target website that I'm linking down below, it'll list all of the links for the products inside the boxes below the product description, so that's convenient. Now next up is the item I saw in the picture, and this is actually the dry shampoo I'm currently using, but like the mini version. This is the Collab Dry Shampoo in original fragrance. So I received the full size one in my most recent glossy box, and I really do like it. The scent works well, and it's really good at absorbing oil without leaving any residue. So I'm super excited to get the travel size of this. You get 50 milliliters or 1.6 fluid ounces. So this will be great to throw in my bag or just to use when I finish the full size one. I really do like this. So it says Collab is a global multi-award winning dry shampoo brand. The unique formula is not only lightweight but powerful too. So it effectively and invisibly absorbs oil, leaving hair feeling clean, soft, and beautifully fragrant. Boom. And then it gives you a little bit more information. It says Collab is proud to be totally cruelty-free, against animal testing, and vegan-friendly. I think the full size is only like $5.50 or something close to that, so it's affordable too. Ooh, I'm excited about this. The next product is by Eva NYC. All of their hair products I've tried in the past work so well, and they smell really good too. And again, this is sealed nicely so nothing leaked. So this is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer, and this is made with argan oil and sunflower seed oil. It says you get 10 benefits in one miracle formula, and it's good for all hair types. And we get a full fluid ounce or 30 milliliters in here. I don't know if I've tried this product before. I may have. I feel like I did use some kind of like leave-in conditioner spray. I have to smell. Yeah, their products smell really good. And they're all cruelty-free, I remember that. So this 10-in-1 multitasking formula does it all. It detangles, reduces frizz, strengthens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. Did someone say hair magic? Yeah, that is a lot of stuff. I'm excited to use this. So it says for a hint, simply spray onto damp or dry hair before styling. And there's a little asterisk here. It says internal testing demonstrated a 16% reduction in drying time. So if you spray this on before you dry your hair, that's awesome. I was a little lazy today. My hair is kind of wet still. I'm like, it's dry enough. I just hate blow drying my hair. Is anyone else like that? I don't know. Maybe I'm just lazy. All right, the next item is by Heritage Store Rose Petals Rose Water. So this is a hydrating face mist, and it's supposed to soothe and tone the skin, and it comes with 2 fluid ounces. I've had rose like toners and sprays before, but I've never heard of Heritage Stone. So the ingredients are purified water and then hydro essential rose or rose damascena. And again, like the other products so far, it says cruelty free and vegan, so I appreciate that. So this is made with only 2 ingredients, which we just went over, and this product is as simple as it is versatile. It uses Cult Classic Staple as a facial mist to calm redness, soften skin, and set makeup. I already sprayed my face with setting spray, but let's see what the sprayer's like. Oh, that's a nice mist. Oh, kind of went back on me because the air's on. And it smells good too. I like the scent of rose. I know some people don't, but I do. There's still 3 things left. The next thing is Little Baby. This is by CeraVe. It looks like it's a new product for them. It's their Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion with Sunscreen. So it has SPF 30, broad spectrum, and this is made for normal to oily skin. It's supposed to moisturize and help restore the protective skin barrier. So it's just a little sample. CeraVe products I've heard great things about. I was just recently watching a video actually where they compared CeraVe and Cetaphil, and they said that CeraVe brand is better, like ingredient wise. So, oh, it's SPF, yeah, it says on here SPF 30, but on the sheet it says SPF 50, so that must just be a typo because I'm assuming this labeling is right. I would go with the 30. So 100% mineral oil-free sunscreen that forms a protective barrier on the skin's surface to reflect the sun's rays, and is formulated with 3 essential ceramides to help lock in moisture. And there's a tip with this product. It says for best results, apply a small amount in the palm of your hand and rub together, and then apply to face 1 area at a time and rub well. I will definitely use this. Maybe I'll keep this in my bag when I feel like I need a little bit more SPF. But this is a lotion with SPF. So usually I like to use a separate moisturizer and then SPF after, but I always appreciate when my products have more SPF. I live in Florida and I look at my skin tone. I clearly am serious about my sunscreen. Next item is by Biore, and this is their Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips. We get 1 nose strip in here. I have used these before, so these are good. Really, they just take out the sebaceous filaments that are on your nose. They're not actually like removing blackheads, but it does improve the appearance short term. Sometimes they're fun to do, so I will definitely use this. It says our charcoal pore strips can remove pore gunk in just 1 strip. With natural charcoal, pore strips suck out deep down dirt, oil, and blackheads, leaving skin feeling fresh, clean, and less oily. I've used both the charcoal and the regular ones. I don't know if I saw a big difference, but I guess apparently this one takes out more oil. The last item in the box, it looks like it's a hair mask, or it's a repairing deep conditioner. It's by Hask. It's their argan oil from Morocco. So this packet's pretty big. I feel like I'd get multiple uses out of this. It says it strengthens, restores, and smooths dry, damaged hair. So you do use it like a hair mask. So you put this on for 10 minutes. I love stuff like this. I only wash my hair like every 4 to 5 days, and after I like do my scrub, and I use a like detoxifying scalp scrub and then a shampoo, and then I put in a hair mask as my conditioner every time, and I love them. I feel like it keeps my hair healthy, so I'm excited to try this one out. It says it's formulated with organic argan oil unique to Morocco to help reduce split ends and leave the most damaged hair soft and nourished. Awesome, I hope that helps. I haven't cut my hair in so long, and I definitely have some split ends going on here. But that was everything, you guys. I think it is totally worth the $7, but I would love to hear your thoughts down below. I'm probably the most excited about getting a little dry shampoo, because dry shampoo is something I go through kind of fast, so I could always use more, and I really like this kind. The Eva NYC product, like, I'm actually really liking getting hair care products lately, which is kind of new. I used to think they're kind of boring, but like, I'm all about like taking care of my skin, and now I want to be better about taking care of my hair health as well. So definitely excited to get those, and the other products are great as well. But yeah, I think the dry shampoo's got to be my favorite. But again, I will leave the Target Beauty Box website down below. Like I said, there's only one other box available, but it looks like it has some good things in there, and I'm kind of tempted to purchase it. If you guys would like to see me open that one, please let me know. But anyways, thank you guys for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.